Mean bean. So Red Bull. Over here so we have some water. Over here so we have some Gatorade. That the vibes for the Sunday. Earn we are done. I line the line up, man. See the scene. God. What we say, never too late for a shower or rain. And as we said that the rain place rain now today in idea. Yeah. You know where we go. I just tell you come on a nature, a natural occurrence. Tomorrow is the next day. It look like no sales are going today. Kinda rough still. Yeah man, from we're up on the ground man, we's a boy who know how to survive, we know how to live, so we have to just go and do what we have to do till things turn. So I just grab them items here. You know, a walking store, no window, no door. Yeah man, I want to drop out 2 cup soup and get all electric kettle and 2 things and just, you know, mad up a thing. We don't want to load up a thing, we don't want to do nothing too elaborate. But you know, the niggas them are G's them over their own. Then can support the thing. Cause so you go. So it run. So I just survive, I go and survive. Yeah. Yeah, they made up on the location what day and some people are us to see me and I say, you know, say, I go kinda use a vibration there. And I just run with it. Yeah, so I yesterday I say, alright, mad thing. Make a move. And I just rise up the thing them and push out. I want one item sell same way, but you know you're going half a loaf better than none. So we just work with it. You know? And go and push the energy. You know we go YouTube Active Black same way. And we have a blood clot website, gramshop.store. I work said way. You know we think a mad thing, we go and put in the work. You know we think go. Yeah. I just say go man. Yeah man, 4 months now we know work for nobody. You know it's a boy brother. We love the independence in the cafe and we're up on the ground, you know, brother. We don't work for people, you know. We left school. We are doing hustle, we are hustle. Get we own a business. And then thing if I went up on the ground. And from you see, a man like me lift up off the ground and know say the ground when kind of sit away. What really make me move off the ground still, you know? When me see like they want to shut down the place. I want to restrict the movement like brother. No, nobody can restrict my movement, none at all. So from me see them kind of make them look a thought there and after any time I kind of, I say wait, what this? And I just say alright, I don't know more than me, you know. And I just move. Yeah. Yeah man, we have 2026 a different energy. Yeah man, we not too on the road no body and we not, you see me? Yeah. Hungry now, yeah, who we want around with their own way, yeah. Yeah man, some people can just look upon you man and know say, a man like you man, they don't want to fuck with them man. Yeah, they can see it, they can feel the vibration, they can feel the energy say, yeah man, we're not gonna mess with this G, we're not gonna mess with that nigga. Yeah. In real life. I'm not gonna say you know, have one half instances where somebody just, you know, go fuck up, but otherwise, some people just know say, yeah, I'm gonna leave that the G there alone and just, yeah. Let him be. And I'm look at goal them items right now, you know, till them sell out and we replenish the stock, I'm look at goal them. Yeah man, we're there man, just big up on yourself man, you know, look for this way I call it on My Dream said we, My Dream podcast and shell off peace side. You know, I go, what we say? Vendetta no join chasing. What vendetta no do? We no join chasing. A punk nobody feel a lame thing. But